Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Want to know how to get started in digital marketing in 2024? Well, you're in the right place at the right time because in this video, I will be sharing with you how you can actually learn the skills to earn an extra 20K in digital marketing by Christmas. And stick around to the very end of this video because I have some exciting bonuses for you just for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of 2 children and based here in Dublin, Ireland, and currently studying for my degree in business marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because back in October 2019, I was overworked and underpaid. I was sick and tired of being broke all the time and living from paycheck to paycheck. Up until that time, I was dabbling online. I had this shiny object syndrome. You name it, I've done it. From affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, even drop shipping. I always felt like I had an expensive hobby. I was spending more than what I was actually earning. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. So back in July 2024, I came across a proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint, which a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren. She went from 0 experience, 0 technical skills, 0 following to earning over $1 million in just 17 months. Now she's on a mission to help 1,000 members of our community earn 6 figures. So far, she's made 12 South African millionaires in millionaire rands, South African rands, and over 40 members of our community have earned 6 figures. So now I'm actually learning high income skills. And what I absolutely love about this program is even though it was a one-time payment, I actually get live weekly interactive coaching and mentorship sessions from 6 and 7-figure earners, right? So if you want to know how to get started in digital marketing, you're in the right place at the right time. The first step really is just to click the link in the description to claim your free system, right? Free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide and a free done for you automated marketing system. And then once you click that, let me show you exactly how you can get started, right? Share my screen. You're going to land here. This is where you're going to claim your system and your guide. And then when you click it here, you're going to come across this page here that's going to do the selling and the telling, right? So what that means for you is you don't have to bother family and friends, right? You give away a free guide, a free system, and then the system does the selling and the telling, right? So then if you decide you want to jump on board, you can get in where you fit in. We have different packages. You can choose whatever package that you want, right, by clicking the blue button. And by the way, we have some exciting bonuses if you decide to jump on board by the end of this month. Here are the bonuses that we have. And once you pick the package, we have different packages here. They range from $100 all the way to $900. These are one-time payments, by the way, which is great. And then you get in where you fit in, and then you just start going through the program, right? The program is going to take you by the hand and walk you step by step through learning the skills to market online the right way. But the best part about the program is that we have a community of over 40,000 members. And in this community here, I'm just going to share with you some of the wins. We have members sharing the wins because the system actually works. Actually, let me show you here first. Here we have 42,000 members. Here this is not just a program where you get access to this site online or an app on your phone, right? You get that, but you also get this live interactive coaching and mentorship. For instance, on Monday, we had mentoring with Mel And then tomorrow we have mentoring with Amy, and then we have training that just goes on. We have technical calls. Right now, as I'm recording this video, if you go to community, there's a live call that's going to happen in 4 hours, right? So you can access that there. So here is where our training, our program becomes interactive, because you're able to access these live coaching and mentorship calls. And then in this classroom here, we have different bits and pieces. But what I'm excited about is 2 days ago, yesterday actually, we started our 90-day run, where our goal is to earn 20K in the next 90 days. And where our millionaire mentor, the one I told you about, she drops a video between 5 and 10 minutes long, where she literally takes us by the hand, walks us through what we need to do on that day, gives us an assignment, right? Very, very powerful. But apart from that, this again is a bonus site. All the replays that you've missed are here. You can always get access to them there, and don't binge watch them. Make sure you take notes and take action. We have a content vault where you can get access to content, upload onto your social media platforms, social media training, and so on and so forth. 6-figure in 6 months. We have members who earn 6 figures in the first 6 months. They share with us exactly how they did it. We have mindset training. We have everything there for you. But I want to finish off by sharing some wins, okay? Because I know what you're thinking. Can I do it? I know they can do it, but can I do it? So here is Daryl 15 hours ago. Daryl's actually one of our mentors that coaches us. 1,800 earned while watching basketball. He had 2 $900 customers come in. Rashmi is the 13th South African millionaire. She just made $300, which brought her into millionaire status. My throat's actually killing me because I'm after going live. Chantel, 2 days ago, she said she's earned 6 figures in 2 months, earned 100,000. She's praising God. Lydia is in tears. Molebo upgraded from $100 into $900. And so on and so forth, right? We have countless of people sharing with us here. Because we have a proven system, right? So if you want to know how to get started, I just walk you step by step. Go ahead and click the link to claim your free gifts, and then have a look to see if this is the right thing for you. When I deliver the gifts to you, right, I'll deliver them to your email address. Respond to my email. Let's have a conversation, because I want to help you make an informed decision. This is not for everybody, right? It's for people who are hungry to change the current situation. People who are coachable, who are teachable, who are willing to invest time and money. You don't just throw money at this and have your fingers crossed. You have to actually learn. This is a program that teaches you skills, income producing skills, and then you have to apply what you're learning, right? So I'm happy to record a video, share my screen, answer any questions that you might have. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best.